Did you know that over 1.9 billion people around the world lack access to formal financial services? It is a staggering reality that continues to shape the global push for inclusive and ethical finance. Hello and welcome to Islamic Finance Weekly. I am Rahma Say Muhammad. It is the end of the month, so let us recap some key development and stories for June 2025. Taj Bank, Nigeria's non-interest lender, has received approval for the second tranche of its 100 billion naira Madaraba Sukuk Band program, valued at 20 billion naira. According to a press statement sent, the 20 billion naira Madaraba Sukuk Band has been granted all necessary regulatory approvals and is designed to provide an ethical investment option for those interested in the bank's profit-sharing ventures. The bond, which offers a 20.5% annual return, aims to promote financial inclusion and offer stable returns for investors while adhering to non-interest banking principles. The Islamic Corporation for the Insurance of Investment Export and Credit is powering sustainable infrastructure with political risk insurance for TOR-F, a landmark project in Abidjan's new administrative city. This centralized government hub will streamline operations for over 3,700 plus civil servants, enhancing efficiency and public service delivery. By considering multiple ministries and agencies, TOR-F will mitigate traffic congestion and improve interdepartmental communication, fostering swifter decision-making and better public service. ICIAC's support contributes to the achievement of SDGs 8, decent work and economic growth, 11 sustainable cities and communities, and 13 climate action. Mauritania's National Development Program is set to receive a significant boost with a $2 billion pledge made by the Arab Coordination Group at a high-level roundtable recently held in Vienna, Austria. The event was chaired by the President of Mauritania, Mohammed Ould Sheikh Al Ghazouani. The OPEC Fund for International Development hosted in the framework of the annual meeting of the ACG heads of institutions. OPEC Fund President Abdulhamid Al Khalifa said, "We are strongly committed to play an active role in the implementation and success of Mauritania's ambitious development program. With our pledge, we are mobilizing our collective capabilities to translate ambition into action and bring about positive change in the lives of the people of our partner country, Mauritania." Speaking on behalf of the Arab Coordination Group, the President of the Islamic Development Bank, His Excellency Dr. Mohammed Al Jasser, said, "Our funding will be directed to vital priority sectors, including energy, water, transportation, and digital infrastructure, in order to stimulate economic growth and achieve comprehensive and sustainable development in the country." Islamic Finance Weekly will go on a break, and when we return, we will bring you more updates. Welcome back. Here is the Fact Book segment. According to market research, the global takaful insurance market is projected to grow at an average annual rate of 9.41%. Premium volume is expected to rise from $49.79 billion in 2025 to $111.89 billion in 2034. The outlook for growth in this sector remains promising, underpinned by a number of factors, notably the growing demand for Sharia-compliant financial products. Innovative technological solutions such as the adoption of digital distribution platforms and mobile applications have made it easier for customers to access products, thereby stimulating market development. Now to our next story. The Islamic Development Bank mobilized $1.2 billion through a benchmark sukuk issuance in the capital markets. The transaction was successfully issued amidst a volatile market period, demonstrating ISDB's long-standing presence and strength in the US dollar sukuk market. The bank, rated AAA by S&P, Moody's, and Fitch, all with stable outlook, priced the 5-year trust certificate under its $25 billion trust certificate issuance program. The sukuk transaction is the bank's second USD benchmark issuance this year, following significant milestones achieved in 2024 that saw 3 successful public benchmark transactions across the Euro and USD markets, and the bank crossing the $50 billion mark in total sukuk issuances since it started issuing in 2003. The joint lead managers for this issuance were BBVA, BMO Capital Markets, CT, Emirates, MBD Capital, Goldman Sachs International, Natixis, Societe Generale, and Standard Chartered Bank. The sukuk proceeds will be utilized to continue the bank's support for project financing that delivers socio-economic growth across its 57 member countries and Muslim communities. We round up with the story that the Arab Coordination Group, the world's second largest development finance group, extended $19.6 billion collectively to fund nearly 650 operations in more than 90 countries in 2024. This significant financing was geared towards developing critical infrastructure, addressing global challenges like climate change and food security, and supporting international trade. The ACG heads of institutions gathered in Vienna for their 20th annual meeting hosted by the OPEC Fund for International Development, ahead of the 4th International Conference on Financing for Development, which is scheduled to take place from 30th June to 3rd July 2025 in Spain. The group reaffirmed its commitment to scaling up financial assistance for sustainable development. The top three sectors supported by ACG financing last year were energy, agriculture, and the financial sector. Over 45% of the total financing promoted global trade, ensuring the movement of critical products and supporting small and medium-sized enterprises. And those are the stories today. So with that, I say, don't forget to keep updated to us next on the program. Follow us on all of our social media platforms displayed on the screen. Thank you for watching. And as always, I am Rahma Say Muhammad.